Coinrule iTrading bot pricing explained what you get for your money. Coinrule isn't just another crypto tool. You won't believe how it automates trading using iStrategies. Most people get this wrong by thinking iBots are expensive or complicated, but the surprising truth is Coinrule offers multiple pricing tiers for different levels of traders. The free plan allows up to 2 live trading rules and basic strategies, perfect for beginners who want to test the platform. Paid plans start at per month, offering up to 25 live rules, advanced templates and priority support. Pro plans can go up to per month with unlimited rules, full API access and multi-exchange trading. Most people get this wrong by not factoring in automation benefits. The time saved and reduced risk from preset rules can outweigh subscription costs. Coinrule supports major exchanges like Binance, Kraken and Coinbase, allowing users to execute complex strategies without manual intervention. You won't believe how much control you get over risk management, stop loss, and take profit settings, making it suitable for both casual and professional traders. In conclusion, Coinrule pricing is tiered to match trading needs and experience. By selecting the right plan and understanding live rule limits, you can optimize your crypto trading strategy efficiently. Coinrule is more than a bot, it's an AI-powered assistant that turns trading ideas into actionable strategies.